Another long day was beginning.
Linda always put her son first.
Linda always put her son first.
The smell made Tom feel instantly hungry.
Across the street, a warm light shined through the rain. A brand new pizza shop had opened near Tom's school. The smell instantly made him stop walking. Mario's pizza looked warm and welcoming.
Tom thought about pizza all day long. It's got the secret spicy pepperoni inside. You won't believe it.
I want to eat it right now.
Tom realized he could not afford the pizza.
That night, Tom sat quietly near his bedroom window. Across the street, the pizza shop still glowed warmly in the rain. He could not stop thinking about it.
Tom wished he could taste the pizza
Sometimes, even a simple pizza can change everything.
For the first time in a long while, we finally have hope.
Mario welcomed Tom with a friendly smile.